See?
Heme. Heme is the pigment. Ang globin, ang protein. Ang globin, halimbawa, nadaot ang red blood cells, like, pak, ipadulan. Padol. Tak 100 times. Ipadulan. Okay, initiation. Saray fraternity direbe.
Ay.
Okay. So this is actually what happened. You listen. Itong mulay fraternities. Listen. Itong mulay fraternities, maminaw ko. Basic, kamo ang hinungdan ng mamatay ang inyuhang si Dawit, anak.
Yung anak.
Pag-enroll ba? Aspirant.
Tinaon.
Okay, listen class. Pagpalo na ng class, pakbustag ang capillaries or arteries. Pagbustag ana, nanggawas ang mga blood. So nanggawas, that leads to hematoma, death of the blood cells. So more of the blood cells are destroyed. So what causes such hematoma? Because of the death of the red blood cells. So mayulit na inyong paa. Mayulit na. Okay, how would the cell respond? Okay, listen. Ang globin sa destroyed red blood cells will be recycled, i-hydrolyze siya para mahimong amino acid. Pag himo na amino acid, dalo na po siya sa amino acid pool para recycle. Okay. How about ang iron na naa sa heme? Oh, because heme contains iron. Nasa uning heme na ang iron diha. No? Ang iron out of destroyed red blood cells kuhaon sa ferritin. Ang ferritin is the iron carrying molecule. It's a protein that carries the iron. Binamudra be? The ferritin is the one that carries the iron in the destroyed red blood cell. Asa na dalhon? Dalhon siya dito sa bone marrow for hematopoiesis or formation of red blood cells. Hematopoiesis, formation of red blood cells. How about the heme? The heme is converted into bilirubin. Ang bilirubin, dalhon sa liver para i-convert into bile. Stored in the gallbladder so that when there is a need, nagkaon mong pizza, nagkaon mong carbonara, naadayoy bile nga kuhaon from the gallbladder paingon sa small intestine to emulsify fat for fat digestion. Did you understand? Okay, class. Ginawa niyo yung ito. And of course, katong wala nagamit na bile, ilabay. Wala sa fence mo na usay, atong kai, yellowish. Of course, not yellowish, yellowish green. Yellowish green because of the bile. So, that will be excreted. Excess of that will be excreted. Okay, inanya may tabuk class. It's the liver that secretes the bile. Siya ang naghimo sa bile out of bilirubin. Gikan sa heme that is destroyed, coming from the destroyed red blood cells. Now, class. Each individual has its own carrying capacity for this conversion of bilirubin to bile. So, daay individual nga taas kayo yung bearing capacity for the conversion of bilirubin to bile. So, meaning, very efficient yung liver. So, bisan pag pila ka padol pa, no? Daghan kayo ang diri, no? Daghan kayo dira ang hematoma. survive gihapon iyang liver. Maatubang gihapon sa liver, ma-accommodate gihapon sa liver ang conversion of more of this damaged damaged red blood cells nga in which ang heme gidala dito sa liver for bilirubin formation, bilirubin to bile. Now, on the other hand, class, naapoy mga tao or individuals nga iyang carrying capacity sa liver is very short. Very low yung threshold for the bilirubin. Oh? Very short lang, in which bisan gamay lang nga padol, gamay say bisag 10 lang ang hematoma, dili na maka-accommodate ang liver para its conversion of bilirubin to bile. Muna magka-liver failure. Did you understand? So, mag-cause siya of liver failure. Once there is already liver failure, that will lead to death. Unang, I don't know if you have heard na initiation, then namatay due to initiation. So, it could be na sulod ka, sige, irikon, kaya nakasurvive gani ko, 100 ka bulan. Oh? Nakasurvive gani ko. So, unsa nga hitabo? It could be nga, it is not true to you. Pwede na nga, katong imo ang last march on the initiation area will be your last day. Last moment sa imong life. Pwede ka, it could be ang imuhang liver is not that very resistant to what? Yung carrying capacity for conversion of this bilirubin to bile is not that sufficient. Efficient. So, muna nga, it could be last na nimo to ka march toward the initiation area, then mamatay ka. Yun na nang nahitabo. Nga nung na yung mga nangamatay because of liver failure. Di na makaya sa liver. O sa pa, nag-hands up na ang liver. Di na lang kaya. Daghan kayo. So, ang kakayahan sa liver depends on ang individual. Are you with me? So, it could be, kung nakasurvive ang isa, it could be not true to you. You may not survive that. Okay? Did you understand? So, class, I'm telling you because there are some people who are insinuating to let you in their group, assuring us with all the promises that we will be with you through thick and thin. But mind you, class, kanang friendship, ang friendship will not only be found in the fraternities and sororities. Okay, I'll give you one example, class. Akong mga friends, among mga group of friends, high school pa mi. High school, grupo na mi. Pag college, kami naghihapon nga grupo. Nang human na lang mi, we all have our families. Ang among mga children, friends po nila. Even ana how close we are. We don't have fraternities and sororities. So, ang atoa, you just choose the right friends. Mura na inyong kono. So, just choose the right friends, no? The right people to be with. Okay? So, kung pwede, kana inyong grupo, kanang mga religious groups. Kanang mga religious groups that will stay with you through thick and thin. Okay? Ayaw, okay. I'll give you one example again. Naatay faculty diri nga murag kuan ba, buliagon gamay. So, nag-join siya, and then, so happen nga, na-break yung family, dahil nagkasakit siya, and then, to the extent, kapit agad siya mamatay. Asa na yung mga fraternity? Mga brothers and sis, wala. Kisa ang nagtabang, MBC yapon. Kisa ang nagbago sa expenses sa hospital, MBC. So, later on, grace exit na siya. Graceful exit na lang. Okay? Yung ana ang dito. Hindi siya pwede nga ikit. So, yun na hitabo class. Fraternities and sororities would not assure you of strong friendship. Where you can find the right friendship? In Jesus. Make Jesus your best friend. Okay, so of course, you look for friends in the religious groups. That will help you and lead you to the right, to the best friend we have in Jesus. No? Okay. Any more question? Love na? Okay, that ends. So next meeting, natin quiz. We stop on chapters 27 and 28. So class, ayaw mo pagsalig ug hand me down, ha?